I'll get the strings off there. I'll get the strings off there. I'm going to put the glass back in, and it is that simple. And this can go up on your wall like that, or like that, just as. Hey y'all, Jen here, Wreath Custom Designs. I'm doing a real quick craft today, just hopping on here. I went and got 5 of these frames from the Dollar Tree, and we're going to put them together. So, let's hop down and do this. Hope y'all are having a blessed day, and let's get started. Alright, hopefully you can see this. Yeah, I think you should be able to. Okay, so what you're going to do, get yourself a little damp cloth, just wipe it off, take the plastic off, and then I'm going to flip it over and take this back off, out, which I'm actually going to save because I've got another project for those. Going to throw that away. Let's get this glass out of there, and then get yourself some pliers, and let's just take these backs right out. And they're magnetic, so you're going to have to take them from your pliers. But these two I'm going to hang on to go with that project, my other project. And I'm debating on whether or not coming and doing another live here in a few hours to do that resin pour that I've been wanting to do. But I'm not sure yet. So, alright. I'm going to clean this glass off real quick. Get any smudges off of it. Okay, and then I'm going to wipe this off, wipe the inside out, and then to hold this glass back in, you're going to want to get your glue gun and just do 4 little dots right in the corners, and then put the glass back in. There we go. And then don't worry, those strings will get off. Just hold it there for a second. Do. Alright. And now let's get to de-stringing. Real easy. Just take your damp cloth. Wipe around the bottom. And of course I forgot to put my phone on Do Not Disturb. I apologize. Go over to the top. I have to re-wipe this glass. And there we go. That's simple. Almost. Okay, that's simple. Alright. Now, what we're going to do, so I've got 5 of these all together. And what we're going to do is glue them together. That's it. So let's get these 2. I'm just going to lay them out how I'm going to want them. Like this. And then that'll be right. And then this one, I'm just going to glue on top, so it's like that. So I think you can kind of see it. I'll make sure you can see it better when I'm done. Ah, must have been the new one I did. So let's redo this. Alright. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So let's just put that back in there. So, I hope everybody is having a super wonderful day. It's actually nice outside, so that's actually why I was late. Got a little distracted with my fur babies out there, being kind of cute. Alright. Get rid of any strings. Okay, so you got to see it twice how to get the glass to stay in, as easy as it is. Boop. And let's get this off there. Trying to keep an eye on the screen too, but well, goodness gracious, this one little string is just hanging on. Gotcha. Gotcha. Okay. Move that over there. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to pull my hair back out of my face. And then, just going to get your glue gun and go all the way down the side with some glue. And then just like I did with the clothespins in my last video, you kind of want to come in at an angle. I don't know if you can see that. And then get it real good together. Make sure you're all lined up. There we go. I think I might have pushed the glass out of the back of this one. Yeah, I did. My glass is not staying in. We're about to come back later and put these glass frames in. That's what I'm going to do. That'll actually be easier, because we can work on the middle too. Alright, so there's what you'll have for the first part. And then pop that glass out of that middle. That easy. And then we're going to put this one here. So let's line it up. Look at it. Get some glue on it. And then again, you want to come in, line it up real good and straight. And then come in at an angle and push. And it's that simple. Oh yeah, that's a lot easier with the glass out. Keep the glass out. We can put that in when we're done. Okay. So there's where we're at so far. Take this one, pop that glass out, line it up, yep, and now for this one, we're going to put glue on both sides, so we're going to go here and here. Get some glue, go all the way down, and then come up on the top, keep sliding off. And then go in kind of at an angle, which is going to be harder with this last one. Whoop, that's all right. There we go. And then just hold it together. I just thought this would be really simple, cute little craft anyone can do, because all it is glue. And then this last one here, we're not going to be able to put the glue back in, so we're going to leave it, or the glass back in, so we're going to leave it in there. And now I'm just going to decide, do I want it like this or like this? I actually think I like that better. Yeah, we're going to go with this. Alright, so we just need glue where it's going to be. So actually, I'm going to stand up. Put some glue there, a little there, a little there. Get yourself another glue stick. Some there. Ah, my glue stick's coming out. And then some over here. Now with this, obviously we're going to want to get those strings out of the way. There we go. Ooh, got one more. There we go. Okay. And now we're just going to put it on there, get it going the way you want it, make sure it's lined up right, and then just push it on. And it is seriously that simple. And that's it. I'll get the strings off there. I'll get the strings off there. I'm going to put the glass back in, and it is that simple. And this can just, let's see. My bad. This can just go up on your wall like that, or like that, just as decoration. All right, so it's really that simple. That's it. I hope you all have a blessed day. I'll put this on YouTube, hop over there, do the whole likey, subscribey, all that YouTubey stuff, and have an awesome blessed day. Bye.